Well, thank you very much for this award. It means a lot to each of us at Crescendo Bioscience. I moved here about 6 or 7 years ago, and one of the reasons I moved here is when we got our Series A funding from David Al Ventures, they said, this place has an ecosystem like no other place to grow and build companies like you envision. And that has absolutely been the case. Our focus at Crescendo Bioscience is on developing and delivering novel tests to allow physicians to have deeper insight when managing patients with autoimmune diseases. These include diseases like rheumatoid arthritis, lupus, ankylosing spondylitis, psoriatic arthritis, and Sjogren's. All of these are chronic, lifelong, debilitating diseases and conditions. Ones where it's very difficult for a physician to accurately assess what's a patient's exact status at a given point in time, what's the right decision to make when moving forward. We seek to deliver more objective, quantitative tools to allow physicians to make better decisions and to use the highly effective biological therapies that are available to autoimmune patients today. We are an innovator. Our first product is called Vectra DA, which stands for Vectoring System for Rheumatoid Arthritis and to assess a patient's level of disease activity. It's the first and only blood-based test to measure and track a patient throughout the entire course of their disease, which is decades. We use 12 biomarkers that look at different mechanisms and pathways involved in the disease and provide a score on a scale of 1 to 100, extremely high resolution. This allows a physician to note better which therapy a patient might benefit from, are they responding to the therapy, at what dose, and what changes should be made to help more patients achieve remission. Only about 15% of RA patients achieve remission. Cure is not possible. So more objective tools to allow physicians to know where they're at a given point in time is incredibly important. Our product is delivered as a service. A physician takes a blood sample in their office from any place across the country, ships it to our clinical laboratory in South San Francisco via Federal Express. We process rapidly and return a test result back. Currently, over 15% of all rheumatologists in the United States are using Vectra DA, and that number is growing rapidly. In addition to physicians finding it to be highly beneficial, patients find what we're doing to be beneficial as well, and we're innovating on that front as well. A more recent innovation is called MyRA, which is a free digital app for RA patients to be able to track and trend systems and disease characteristics between office visits. This allows for a much more impactful encounter for the physician. When armed also with our Vectra DA, provides a very complete picture. These and other innovations are what separate us from our competitors. The organization is committed to improving patient lives and outcomes. Thank you for this award.